guys, it's Brett and I am back with another video to help you out during your wedding planning process. So today what I want to talk to you about is your layout. I have had a lot of final walkthroughs lately, and during your final walkthrough appointment about a month before your event, that's when we go over the layout and the design of the room. And I have found that lately everyone is doing kind of the same layout. And so I realized maybe y'all don't know that there's different options. Maybe you're just going off of what you've seen pictures of posting. And since we're posting the pictures, y'all are just doing the same layout. So everyone's ended up kind of doing the same thing. So I just wanted to talk to you about some different options. So that way you can know that you can do more than just the circle tables. You can do long tables, you can mix and match things. Don't be afraid to go all out with your design of the room. So this layout that I have right here is the typical layout that I tend to see with the long head table and then the round tables for the guests to sit at. If you don't want your wedding party to sit with you, then I just see that one long table that's in the middle and the round tables for the guests on the sides. So this is the typical layout that I see during a wedding. It works great, it is perfect, I love it. I just want to give you some other options that you can explore as well. So this second layout that I have, this is what it would look like if you do all long tables in the room. So I always recommend that you do y'all's table the opposite of what you do the guest tables. So if you're doing the guest tables as rectangles, then do y'all's as a round. And we do have a smaller round table that you can use. So that way it's not like a big giant guest table, it's just a little sweetheart table. So this is another layout that you can do just to kind of switch it up and make it fun. I also like long tables if you do greenery all the way down the middle and then candles of different heights scattered throughout. It looks really, really elegant. I love long tables. And then my last one that I want to show you right here, this is going to be a mix and match style. So this is if you want to alternate long and round, and that way it just kind of makes it fun. You can do different centerpieces on each of the tables and mix and match. So I hope that this gave y'all a couple of different options to explore. If you ever want to come in, meet with us, see the venue in person, and talk about the layout, we can absolutely do that. So I hope that this gave y'all some good ideas, and I will see you next week. Bye guys.